Hello Generals, in this short tutorial video I'm going to show you how to import a photo or import audio and put it into your movie. Right now, if you look at my project bin, I have nothing in this project. So we're going to go to File, Import. If I wanted to add a photo or a video, I would just navigate to my folder, click a photo. It imports into the project. That does not mean it is on my timeline. So I drag and drop it into my movie. To resize photos, you can right click, scale to frame size. You can double click and move it over. And you can also go into the effect controls panel, and under motion, if you expand motion, you can move it there. That's how you import a photo and resize a photo in Premiere. Thank you, boys and girls.